So today in this video we shall factorize 2x square minus 5x minus 18. So here first expression 2x square and last expression minus 18. Both are same and 2 times 18 mean 36. So now we take two numbers whose sum becomes 5. So it is 9 times 4 mean 36 and 9 minus 4 mean 5. So that is minus 9x plus 4x minus 9 plus 4 means minus 5 and 9 times 4 mean 36. So now we find out the common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So here common is x. So remaining here 2x minus x already came 9 plus common in these both are only 2. So 2 times 2 mean 4 and this x minus 2 times 9 mean 18. So now we again find out common in this first and last expression. So both contain 2x minus 9. So 2x minus 9 is common and remaining in the first x in the last plus 2. So 2x minus 9 and x plus 2 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.